Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create clocks. A clock enables you to automate the opening and closure of your equipment on the day and time you want, so that you don't need to think about it. How do you do it? It's very simple. First of all, go into the Clocks menu and press the Add a Clock button at the bottom. First of all, you are prompted to select the days you want. For example, you can open and close your shutters automatically from Monday to Friday. Then press the button at the bottom to select your equipment. Now you must select your equipment or scenario to be included. For example, parent room. Now select the order you give your shutter with the 3 command keys: up, intermediate position, or down. For the BHz equipment, you can also choose the exact position by moving the setting bar. You may choose between a set time or a variable time according to sunrise and sunset. For example, if you click on dawn, this time will be selected according to the sunrise. You may even shift this time up or down by 2 hours with the setting bar. The same applies for the dusk tab. If you select a set time in the hour tab, you may activate the vacation button or not. This function lets you shift the activation time randomly within a 30-minute range, before and after the set time, to simulate your presence. In this example, we choose to open the shutter at 7:30 AM. Click on the diskette in the top right to save. You may add as many items of equipment or scenarios as you like. Remember to rename your clock by clicking on the pencil, and save by clicking on the diskette. Your first clock is now saved. You may now add as many clocks as you like. Click on the Add a Clock button. You may deactivate or activate it if necessary by clicking on the right-hand cursor. If you click on the clock you have saved, you can modify it by going into the parameter menu specially dedicated to this clock. Modify the saved orders. Modify the set time. Or choose to remove the equipment. Or add one or more items of equipment or scenarios. If you modify one of the parameters, remember to save it with the diskette key in the top right. Or you may decide to remove this clock completely with the bin in the top right of the screen. Congratulations! You are now ready to create clocks on different items of equipment so that you no longer need to worry about them. Have a look at the other tutorials and information on the dedicated site.